So I'm just gonna run through kind of things and expectations for our class this semester. So I'm gonna run through this PowerPoint and kind of go through the pieces of it with you guys. You can obviously go through the PowerPoint. It will be posted in our classroom, but to help you understand it, I'm gonna record a video. So, all right, I'm Mr. Gamma. Here's my email address, and this is the instructions for our class. This is our class period, right? We're period 2. It's from 8:26 to 9:02. Most of the time, when we have our Google Meets, I'll set it at like 8:30 to give you a little time to settle down if you're in class, and if you're at home, just a couple minutes to finish up period 1. Obviously, you should know this by now. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Wednesday, Fridays, and then so on and so forth. Now, for the distance learning, right, same exact thing, except Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you're at home. But every day, right, whether you're at home or at school, you're going to be learning the same thing. You'll have the same exact assignments, okay? A lot of our Google Meets will be on Fridays. Usually at the end of the week, we kind of have like a summarize meeting of what was assigned Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe on Friday as well. And then like Mondays are mostly to help you finish up your work, as your work assigned from Tuesday to Friday is always due Monday night the following week. Okay, and if you do need like a one-on-one personal help, you can always ask me and we can make it during our class time on Monday or maybe after school or things like that. This is just some important information. You should know this by now. That's more for like semester 1. Signing in for attendance. So Fridays we usually have our Google Meets. Again, it's usually 8:30. It usually only runs like 15 to 30 minutes around that, going through the assignments for the week. So they are important to come to. Obviously, if you do not come to, you're marked absent for the day. So you do need to come to them every Friday. And it's nice to see summarize. It could help you on questions that you were assigned that week that you're struggling on. For the other days, Monday through Thursday, when we don't have meets, you'll get a attendance question posted on Classroom. So it'll look something like this, where it would be like attendance question. It'll be a question like this. This one says, do you like sledding when it snows? So, right, you type your answer here. You could say yes and then turn it in. And that's literally it, and you will be marked as present for that day. Okay, so that's usually Monday through Thursday because our meets are on Friday, and I use our Google Meet attendance as our attendance for Friday. All right. I'll post this on Monday for this because it's a special week. We start on Monday for the second semester, but usually you'll get a post every Tuesday of the weekly agenda. It'll be Tuesday to the following Monday. Like I said, everything's due that Monday night of the following week. And it'll look something like this. It will consist of directions for the day as well as Google Docs and project links you'll see on the right side. So if you click on here, I can show you an example. If I go through the stream, let's go to a weekly agenda from earlier with some attachments. And this is from semester 1. So, right, you get something like this. You were assigned section 4.7 day 1. You'll get that assignment on here under your classwork. It'd be right here. So, you do have the link here, but you'll be assigned your own piece of the 4.7 day 1 in the classroom post right here that you'll click on and work on. And I'll go through that more when we go through the work. But if you like need the Google Meet link, you can click on it here. And then some like slideshows for this certain assignment, things like that. And you always have the Google Meet link down here, every agenda. And then your attendance again is answering the daily attendance question, unless Friday we have a Google Meet. Okay. All right. So that's like our agenda. Every Tuesday you'll get that. It's nice because it tells you exactly what to expect for the week, and it comes in Tuesday at 7:30. All right. Now for your classwork and notes, each day or two you might be assigned to cover. Say we're working on 4.1 or something like that. There might be a day 1 for 4.1 and a day 2. I might split it in half. And you usually get like Tuesday and Wednesday to do day 1 and Thursday and Friday to do day 2 or something like that. Or you might have like one day to do it depending on the size of it and the questions and things like that. But right, to open it, like I can show you 4.7 day 1. Right, this would be the assignment. You click view assignment, and then you each get your own copy. So you'd open it up, and then it'd be something like this, where the left side, usually the one for day 1 is always a discussion prompt. A lot of these are open-ended questions, so you just click, type your answers. This is what are some items you spend on, or you could say phones, food, things like that. And they don't have to, they can be informal. They don't have to be like full, complete paragraph sentences and things like that. Then for actual questions like this one, it says college student struggling. You'll have a link here for the YouTube video, or it could be a link to a website that you, and this will be the directions for it, okay? Right, it says watch this video to hear about the 2 college students struggling with their money. So you watch this YouTube video, you'd open it up. Right.
Nobody likes to talk.
And once you finish that YouTube video, you'll answer these questions according to it. And then this one has an exit ticket, so you'd answer these questions. Most of these questions are, there's no real right or wrong answer. It's mostly your feeling on it, your feeling towards it, whether it's towards a video or towards a certain question. But your completion of it and writing something meaningful will get you the full credit on the assignment. All right. So that's like an example of notes and things like that. Again, Friday, like our first, like one of our first Google Meets will go through like any classwork that might be due. If you need to upload anything to it, right? Right, say you're on assignment and you needed to upload, or you accidentally made your own and you need to upload it, you just press add, go to your Google Drive or add a file or something like that. And then make sure once you finish working on this document, so say I'm done, right, you can press turn in right here and then turn in, and then you're done, right? I'll know you're done by you pressing turn in. I'll get it like a notification. This is just if you need help uploading. And then the last thing is a Remind app. I use this to we can message each other. I get the messages right on my phone. I'll get like a ding or something that will tell me you have a question. So what you'll need to do is go to remind.com. You'll have to sign in through your Google account, and then you'll put in this classroom code to join. So you can copy and paste it, and you press add class, join existing class, and put in the class code. Press join, and you're in, right? So this is our class code right here, okay? So other than that, you will get invites to our Google Meets. So if you go to your inbox, right, you can see there's an invitation right here for it's a fake made Google Meet, but I invited myself to appear to Google Meet. So you click on it. You should say yes because you should attend every Google Meet, and you'll see join with Google Meet here, right? And you click on our Google Meet, right? So also once you press yes, it will be in your Google Calendar. So if you go to your Google Calendar, you can see on the 6th, right? Right at 2:30, I have a Google Meet. Here's the Meet link. Also, another way to find the Meet link is if you go to our classroom page. This is my semester 1, obviously. On the top. Oh, it's not there, I guess. Okay. All right, it's not showing the Google Meet link. Okay, so you'll have the Google Meet link here. And also, when we have our meets, I always tell you that morning that we're going to have a Google Meet. So, like right here, you see it says Google Meet at 8:30. This is mandatory. You should attend, right, which all of them are. And I'll attach the Google Meet link. Okay. But that's really it. If we'll have a meet, I think Wednesday of this week to go through some certain things. But if you have any questions, let me know. You can message me on Remind, which is really easy, or you can message me through Google Classroom or through email. All right, guys, have a good day.